What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Ersk Cuisine. So Hidden Valley finally jumped on the plant-based trend and released their own plant-powered, dairy-free ranch. And I've been meaning to try this for a while, and I finally found it at my local Food Lion, so it seemed like a great time to check it out and tell you what I think. Before I get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Ersk Cuisine. Here, I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes, I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So here is the bottle, and an initial thought I want to share is this isn't a plastic bottle. Unlike the dye dressings I tested last week that were in glass bottles, so if your goal is to be as sustainable as possible, you should definitely go with the dye dressings rather than the Hidden Valley. If you missed the video where I did test out all of Dye's plant-based dressings, I'll have that video linked down in the description below. Make sure you check that out if you haven't. I'll be testing the dressing on a salad and some of these vegan chicken nuggets. All right, let's try it out. So I've tried it out now on both the salad and the chicken nuggets, and to give my thoughts, it's been a while since I had Hidden Valley Original Ranch. I've been vegan for almost 4 years now, but from what I can remember, it did taste pretty much the same as Hidden Valley Original Ranch. So if you are someone who is trying to transition to a vegan lifestyle and you love the taste of Hidden Valley, this is a great thing. Overall, I think it is a great thing that we now have a vegan version of such a classic food item. But again, if you are looking to be as sustainable as possible, then go with Dye's dressing. That's pretty much it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget, drop me a like in this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.